Brig Gen Muhanguzi Paul Kadogo Community Polytechnic irukushangwa mu Rwampara yabashenekerizibeho abandi bebembezi abanyabutegeke n'abamumbazire tubabaraho.
All these products are produced by tailoring department. We are grateful to the government of Uganda for giving us a donation of buying these machines. These machines was a donation from the government to empower the skill training program of Uganda.
Twareba bariya barukora mechanical wiring. Abasirikare bayitwaha na maintenance workshop yitu eshemiri kubane yegera ntwija kubeshanga tuteine kituru twarro mwana omugaraji zahari embu yo kushomera kandi akarga hakakanikira motoka hari
abarambura ebirukorwa omwanya ogu omuri bombeka ebya teknolojiya okuhinga no kurisa n'ebindi benji.
Nka Ministry ya Education, nka UPDF Chieftains of Education in Changwe cheteiremu konka overall initiator webyo byona noha nkamandi in chief president wa Uganda kandi orukwenda ngu omusirikare arabaha kuzo mu omwana omutoshomeira yarga mwaka joining amahe nabayine skills kandi ejo niyo turukweta professionalization. Mbwe turukubasa kugamba professionalization aharimi konka practically tuteine kiturukubasa kora.
Twine levels ishatu. Level yo kubanza ni learn form nawo ko batine cyo bashomereho. Umwana yiza obayine cyashomere batayine cyashomere konka kwenda skills nabasa kutahamu ashome nobwa kuba noshoma skills omukose zona.
Erizoba kampuni ya Sadolin yakoze mu gishogo okwatiraho ishomereri ubo yokubahereza rangi yo kusiga ebyombeko.
This is paint. If we can just have a look. This is paint that is worth over 8 million that we are giving back to the community, and we are really
Clap.
It's our pleasure and we are happy to receive that donation, and it's our wish.
Our TV West, the Gideon.